guys. Today's fruit is the cacao fruit. This comes from a cacao tree. This fruit's pretty cool. One, it just looks really cool. And then the fact that it's a fruit and it's what's responsible for chocolate makes it even more interesting to me. Comes in a few different colors. I mean, it's got a couple even on here. It comes in orange, red, and different tones of purple. And it's actually a pod, and inside are a bunch of beans or seeds. The state of Bahia, they sell a lot of cacao fruit, and there they actually will make a juice out of it, and they'll make the pod here up, where they actually cut the bottom off so it'll sit flat, cut the top off, take all the pulp out, and then serve it to you. Cacao is native to the Amazon region in Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. And 95% of cacao fruit is grown by small farmers. So you're not going to find it commercially or like big scale.
All right, let's go ahead and cut it open and see what it looks like inside. Kind of feels like a pumpkin when you're cutting it. So this is the pod split open. This is the white pulp that surrounds each one of these little pods right here. So each one of these is a different cacao seed. This half I went ahead and just scooped it all out. And this is what it looks like. So each one of these is a different little seed. This is the white pulp fruit that's around it. And then that's what it looks like once you've eaten it. All right, let me try one of these. These ones look good. It's sweet, a little bit sour, but the taste is really hard to describe. Brazil has a lot of fruits that are white flesh they make juice out of, and they all kind of taste similar, but it's like it doesn't taste like any other major fruit I've tried before. But it's good. It's good, and it's definitely the type of thing where it would be better in a juice, because to sit here and eat every one of these seeds just for a little bit of this pulp, it's not really worth it. The cacao pods all cleaned out and empty, and then this is what it looks like. So we're just gonna let this ferment for about 3 days, and then I think that should let the white pulp come off a little bit easier, and then it'll be ready to dry and roast.